Okay, time to take a look at the Tape King Tape Dispenser 2-pack. Oh, look at that. They actually come with tape on them. So that's nice because I actually went and grabbed my own roll, but looks like I didn't have to. So they do have this on here correct. So it is going to be going counterclockwise. So the tape is going to be able to go under this wheel and then cut off on this blade. Now the nice thing about this one is it actually has a little tensioning wheel. So we can loosen that up so that it kind of spins a little bit more freely, or we can tighten that up so that it's a little bit more stiff. I kind of want to have it a little bit stiff just so this thing isn't unwinding on itself, but it doesn't need to be too tight. But I do like this style that actually pinches on 3 sides on the inside of the roll just because these are way easy to pull off and stick on and just keep on going. Can see the handle does have this texture on the back and it has spots for your fingers, so it's a very nice feeling grip on here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prep the blade, which is just a matter of pulling this off, and then if we need to, we can loosen up those 2 screws, pull that blade out a little bit and tighten it back down. So this guard is to prevent the tape from falling back, so I'm going to hold that and pull our tape up. So you can see it's kind of pinching it there. See how good we do? And that is a thick roll of tape. Like, I mean, even just comparing to this, like, you get a lot of tape with these things. Oh, looks like I do have to move that blade out a little bit. That's okay. So this is a Phillips head screw. Just loosening this up. So now that we got the blade loose, I can kind of pull it out a little bit, and we'll tighten those screws back up. Okay, so let's see how that works. There we go. Cool. Works a treat. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice set.